Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to be changing the fluid in my transfer case on my 2022 Chevy Silverado LTD. This is pretty straightforward, easy process. It's kind of tight under here with my running boards. So on the transfer case, there's two plugs. There's a fill plug here and then there's a drain plug here. Before you start draining the oil, you want to start by removing the fill plug up here just to make sure that you can get it out. Then you can remove the drain plug to drain out the oil.
Both the fill plug and the drain plug are 5/16 Allen.
So now that we've got the fill plug out, I'm going to take out the drain plug below. That'll drain out the transfer case. And spilled ATF all over your driveway. Alright, so now that we have the oil drained out, and it's just dripping a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and close it up on the bottom here of the drain plug. That way we can put fresh oil in. Alright, now we can fill it up. I'm using a fill transfer pump that I got at Harbor Freight to pump the oil into here because it's so tight you'd never get the bottle up there. And it's similar to a differential where you just fill it up until it starts coming out of the fill port, which you see is happening here. So I'm going to let that drip for just a little bit, and then I'll clean it up and put the fill plug back in. I'm going to go ahead and call that good. Take my fill plug, thread it in, call it a day. That's all it is to change the fluid in your transfer case. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for new videos. See you next time. Later.